Hi, Kristen. Max here. Hey, I just wanted to touch base with you. I noticed that before your titles weren't showing and or your menu structure wasn't showing, and that's because on the old site that I originally did for you, we had put everything in this little menu, like this bar here. So, and these texts were all white, so they could show up in there. But with your new header, well, with your new header, the background was white, so they didn't show up, so I made them black so then people now can tour your site. Anyway, I was looking into the double post, and I think my problem is I'm not seeing double posts. So if I look at all the ones that you have published, I can't see them here, nor can I see them online whenever I go through your thing. So I don't know where you're seeing the double post. It might be a cache issue on your computer or whatever. So, but I'm seeing different posts as I scroll down. Let's see here. So if we go into posts, if you do see, I notice you have a lot of drafts, 261 of them. But if you had to go through and you had to delete, like multiple drafts or whatever, you just tick this box and then click move to trash and then click apply. So you could do something like that there. Let's see here. Also, I'm going to install this little plugin for you because you have an issue with photographs. And there's this great plugin called Image Optimizer, and I'll show you how to use it. I'm just going to go ahead and install that now here for you. And what this does is it takes all your photos and minimizes them without sacrificing the quality. And so how you do this is you go down under Settings, Image Optimizer, and I'll go ahead and set up this for you here. But you need a few things installed on the server, which I made sure it was installed on this server for it to work. So what we want to do is we want to remove all the metadata. Now this isn't your title tags and your alt tags. This is stuff like what camera it was used to take the picture, the location. People could get your location if there's GPS information on there. And so there's probably some things that you don't want them to get. We don't want to GIFs to PNGs. We don't want to do that. If you have any GIF images, we'll leave them like that. But then I'm going to click Save Changes. And then we see the settings are saved. So then what we would want to do after that is we go to Media, and we can bulk optimize all the images, and we see that we have 5,114 images to optimize. We just click that little button. Now I'm not going to click it right now because it takes several hours to do, but it goes through all of your images and minimizes them down without lossiness. That means that you're not going to surrender any quality. This will also include increase the load time for the page for all these images here. So these images are just, they're just kind of way too big for the pictures. I mean, basically a lot of people that are putting images on their website, you could, or like 5,000 by, 8,000 pixels. You can put that kind of stuff on a billboard, and it's just unnecessary to put in a web page, and you're really using up a lot of bandwidth and CPU. And you could render the web page to your viewers a lot faster by optimizing the images. And there's some other things that we could take care of too. But I just wanted to give you a heads up because I feel so bad for you having to put up with the transfer and everything. It was just unreal. It's not fair for you to be down like that. So if there's anything that I could do to help you out or make it easier for you, don't hesitate to contact me, and we'll get the ball rolling on whatever you need done. All right, this is Max. I hope that everything's working fine for you. If it's not, don't hesitate to contact me if you see anything. There's not going to be any extra charge if there's little things that we have to fix, anything minor. Okay, thanks. Bye.